What are you gonna make today?
Today I'm gonna make a Play-Doh.
Oh, what are all the ingredients you need to make a Play-Doh, Krishna?
Flour, color, oil, salt, and water in a bowl and a spoon to mix them. I'm gonna put the salt in the flour.
Okay.
You ready? 1, 2, 3. Last one, let's see, go! Now we need to stir it.
Mix it.
And now I'm gonna put the water into this bowl.
Okay.
Mix it up. Now I'm gonna take the spoon and stir the water.
What are you gonna put to the water?
This one.
Okay. What is that?
Oil.
Okay.
You need to wheel it.
Okay. Then?
You need to give it a little stir.
Okay. Then what else?
A color.
Okay. Pour little. Okay.
Now stir it. Now giant flour. Now to start to mix. Look.
Mix. You want my help?
No. I just want to turn it up. Look, it started to make a slime.
Are you making a Play-Doh or a slime?
Play-Doh.
Okay, I will help you to stir it.
No, I don't want your help. My Play-Doh is ready, guys. Thanks for watching and playing with